Well, we're here in Malden, Essex today at Garth Road MOT Centre. This is where Cody, Jackson and Simon Woods operate a relatively new business called Proline Vapour Blasting. They've fully immersed themselves in the Vixen range and they've bought no fewer than 3 pieces of our equipment, one of which is our renowned Aquablast. And right now we're going to go meet Simon to see how he's getting on with that machine. Simon, thank you for the welcome first of all. Tell us about Garth Road MOT and about Proline Vapour Blasting, please.
Okay, well, we've been here for close to 15 years now, MOT and the servicing vehicles, and we decided to just put the feelers out and see what we could do with regards to helping local firms in cleaning their bits and pieces, basically. So we set up Proline Vapour Blasting, and yeah, we're doing okay. Okay.
We stood not too far from something motorsporty and we've had a bit of a chat about some of your achievements as well on that front. So is there a connection there? Is that one of the reasons that the Vixen equipment's come into play?
Yeah, you could say. I mean, we've done some quite good stuff with regards to motorsport, won some lovely trophies, and at the moment I'm currently building a Mark IV Mazda, so some bits and pieces on that will be cleaned and put back on the car. So yeah, it's motorsport, motor engineering, anything to do with cars, motorcycles, or just anyone that's got something that needs cleaning, really.
So we've got 3 bits of Vixen equipment, which is good, thank you. Talk to us about what they are and what a role again they play in Proline, please.
Well, as you can see, we've got the 1215 machine, great bit of kit. There isn't anything that we can't fit in it, really. Engine blocks, heads, even some wheels if we really wanted to go down that route. Next to it we've got the Vixen Jetwash, again a lovely bit of kit, and then we've got the oil skimmer which is there, which basically takes off all of the sludge and the stuff that we wash first. So yeah, absolutely brilliant stuff.
Have you got anything we can process today, and if so, what are we going to do? Straight in the Aquablast or Jetwash first then Aquablast? Yeah,
I've got something funny enough. I've just literally taken it out of the wash to get all the oil out of it. This is a scooter engine sump, so it needs, well, as you can see,
bit of treatment.
It needs a bit of treatment, definitely. Yeah.
Can we pop it in and see what the results are like?
Yeah.
Okay, Simon, it's been through. Talk to us about the finish and, you know, what can we see in front of us?
Well, as you can see, it's a 1000% improvement as to what it was. At this point, what we do is we inspect it for cracks, make sure everything's okay, probably have a little break for a quick cup of tea, and then just put it back through for one last, just to, you know, now we're happy that there's no cracks, no damage. We'll just go back and just get any of the little bits that we've missed that we can now see better, and then yeah, she's ready to be given back to the customer.
I stopped listening at a cup of tea there. Thanks again to Simon and the team at Garth Road MOT Centre for their time today. They're another great example of people who've come along, bought some Vixen kit. In this case, they've got an Aquablast 1215, a Jetwash and an oil skimmer. They've made good use of their existing database and also attracted some new customers too. So they're busy. It's a standalone business. They're doing really well. Thanks again, guys, and good luck for the future.